The CCTV footage has brought a new twist in the Bangalore road rage case. This video of an Indian Air Force officer went viral few days back. His claim that he was allegedly assaulted in Bengaluru by a group of men while he was on his way to the airport with his wife, who is also an officer in the Air Force. Wing Commander Sheel Aditya Bose posted this video on social media with blood and injuries on his face.
Today morning, my wife was driving me to the airport, and suddenly one bike came from behind, stopped in between, stopped our way. I will show you the video of my dashcam also. He came out, started abusing me in Kannada, and then seeing that my car has a DRDO sticker, he says that you be DRDO people, and says many things in Kannada, and finally she abused my wife, and then I couldn't bear it. More people came surprisingly and started abusing us, that we are doing wrong things. That person, he took his stone out, started trying to hit my car. I trying to stop, he hit me on my head again. Here you can see the blood and see my condition. But this is what Karnataka has become. I believed in Kannada, but seeing the truth, the reality of main heartland Karnataka, I couldn't believe it.
In the video, Bose alleged that the biker who was driving aggressively attempted to collide with the car. Bose said the biker verbally abused him, and after noticing the DRDO sticker, he began taunting them and escalated the confrontation. According to Bose, biker said, "You are from the DRDO, I can see the sticker, this is Kannada land, just watch what I do." As Bose had to leave for Kolkata, he didn't file a complaint, but Madhu later filed an FIR, and the accused was arrested. But is this the truth or just a one-sided version? As told earlier, CCTV footage of the incident flipped the narrative. The CCTV footage showed the officer as the alleged initiator of the confrontation. IAF officer could be allegedly seen roughing up the accused and creating a scene in public. The officer was seen arguing with Vikas Kumar and hitting him even as his wife, squadron leader Madhumita Datta, tried to stop him. During questioning, Vikas Kumar said he was passing by when the woman allegedly made a remark. He asked, "What are you talking about?" and then approached the IAF officer to ask, "What is madam saying?" An argument followed, according to his version to the police.
This is not a case related to any language or region. It's very clear from the facts we have collected and the evidence we have collected from the morning. It is a clear-cut case of road rage, which we see every day in Bangalore. 3 to 4 complaints we receive in Bangalore city, which could have been avoided by both of them. In fact, when this altercation was taking place, 6 to 7 youngsters have played their role. It's very clear from the videos. They have tried to separate them, these two people. They have tried their level best to pacify both of them not to fight on the road.
Now an FIR has been registered against Bose too after a formal complaint was received by the police from the bike rider Vikas. The FIR against Bose was registered under Section 109, Attempt to Murder, 115(2), Voluntary Causing Hurt, 304, Snatching, 324, Mischief, and 352, Intentional Insult with intent to provoke breach of peace of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. And Bose has been reportedly booked for attempt to murder.